Here are the crypto top headlines covered in this video. XRP to $15 price. Pundit wonders why anyone is bullish on XRP after a major breakdown. Next, Bitcoin in bullish setup ahead of election, says VanEck. Also, 3 signs Ethereum price is gearing up for a rebound towards $6,000. Welcome to Crypto Top Headlines, where there are no speeches on my opinions, just bringing crypto's news to you. I would greatly appreciate it if you would click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. It does help support the channel, so thank you in advance for doing so. Now, on to these headlines. Our first top headline, XRP to $15 price. Pundit wonders why anyone is bullish on XRP after a major breakdown. Despite growing optimism in the crypto community about XRP's future, the cryptocurrency tied to Ripple has come under increased scrutiny from market analysts, particularly following its ongoing price consolidation and price drop over the past 2 days. On Monday, Northstar, a popular crypto analyst, took to X, formerly Twitter, to express his puzzlement at the ongoing optimism for XRP. Ripple is down over 80%. It has had another major breakdown. It's currently backtesting that breakdown. Why the heck is anyone bullish on XRP before it crosses the breakout line? He tweeted. The expert's analysis, accompanied by a detailed technical chart, reveals a multi-year triangle pattern formation that has recently experienced a significant breakdown. The cryptocurrency has now entered a phase of backtesting previous support levels, specifically around the 54-cent range. Northstar emphasized that XRP remains trapped beneath a descending trendline that has acted as significant resistance since 2018. Until XRP surpasses this line convincingly, any bullish outlook may be premature. Analyst Alan Santana added weight to the bearish thesis by pointing to XRP's divergence from Bitcoin's performance. What we are seeing happening with Bitcoin is not reciprocating across the market. It is surely not present on the XRP chart, Santana noted. He further noted that XRP's technical indicators, such as the EMA 144 and MA 200 on the daily time frame, point to continued bearish pressure with lower prices expected ahead. That said, Northstar's sharp critique underscores his concerns about XRP's technical struggles, cautioning that any bullish outlook might be premature given the current market situation. However, not all analysts share this pessimistic outlook. In a separate analysis, Eggrag Crypto presented a contrasting view outlining an ambitious price target scenario. The pundit's analysis, dubbed the XRP macro drop zone, suggests that XRP is on the verge of a significant upward move that could see it rally to $15 or beyond. Once XRP edges closer to the drop zone B, we're looking at a launch from $2 to $15 minimum, Eggrag wrote, predicting a new price cycle that could see XRP reaching as high as $115. Meanwhile, despite analysts' mixed outlook, on-chain data from crypto analytics firm Sentiment offers a more optimistic view of XRP's network activity. In a tweet, the firm noted that the XRP ledger recently experienced a spike in active wallets, with over 35,000 wallets making at least one transaction in a single day, the highest figure in more than 3 months. Additionally, 3,858 new wallets were created within the same day, marking the most significant increase over 7 months. This surge in activity signals growing interest in XRP despite its ongoing price challenges and could potentially support a price rebound in the near future. XRP was trading at 0.5155 cents at press time, reflecting a 0.75% surge over the past 24 hours. Let me pause here for a moment. If you're getting value out of this video, please click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Our next top headline, Bitcoin in bullish setup ahead of election, says VanEck. The investment manager's long-term model puts BTC's price at roughly $3 million by 2050. Bitcoin's performance is creating a very bullish setup for the digital asset as investors brace for the United States presidential election in November, Matthew Seigel, VanEck's head of digital assets research, told CNBC on October 28th. Our bet is that this is a very bullish setup for Bitcoin going into the election, Seigel said, adding, "We saw the same pattern in 2020. Bitcoin was quiet before rallying with high volatility once a winner was announced." Bitcoin's spot price broke $69,000 on October 28th, indicating a potential push toward all-time highs going into the elections. Bitcoin is up 100% over the past year, Seigel said. It seems this latest run from 57,000 to almost 70,000 is correlated with Trump's improving odds on betting sites. Former U.S. President Donald Trump is favored to win the presidency by a significant margin on betting platforms such as Polymarket and Kalshi. The platforms pegged Trump's odds at 62% and 66% respectively, according to both websites as of October 28th. The November election pits Republican nominee Trump, who has said he wants to make America the crypto capital of the world, against Democrat Kamala Harris, who has been comparatively quiet on the industry. Trump is viewed as the more pro-crypto candidate, while Vice President Harris hasn't shown much interest in it, Seigel said. Regardless of who wins, rising inflation will benefit BTC and other commodities because all roads lead to inflation, hedge fund manager Paul Tudor Jones told CNBC on October 22nd. "I probably have some basket of gold, Bitcoin, commodities, and NASDAQ, technology stocks, and I would own zero fixed income," Jones, who founded hedge fund Tudor Investment Corporation, said on CNBC's Squawk Box. VanEck foresees BTC potentially hitting some $2.9 million per coin by 2050, resulting from massive demand for the decentralized currency as collateral for trade settlement and a reserve for central banks, according to a July 24th report. "We do have a long-term model that assumes Bitcoin could become a reserve asset by 2050, held by central banks and used in global trade," Seigel said. "If Bitcoin reached a modest 2% weight in global central bank reserves, our model projects a price of around $3 million per Bitcoin." Our next top headline, 3 signs Ethereum price is gearing up for a rebound toward $6,000. Ethereum is now testing a key support level that last helped it rebound by over 160%. Multiple factors support this bullish fractal. Ether, Ethereum's native token, is on track to post its first October loss since 2018, having fallen 5.4% month to date to reach $2,475 on October 27th. The decline is driven by intensifying competition from newer smart contract platforms like Solana and the tepid market response to Ethereum-based spot ETFs. However, there are growing signs that Ether might be set for a turnaround, with several indicators pointing to a potential recovery around $6,000. Ether holds support that last preceded 160% gains. Ether is currently holding above a crucial support level at around $2,400. This price coincides with the lower trend line of ETH's multi-month ascending channel pattern, which has historically preceded sharp price recoveries, including the cryptocurrency's 160% plus rebound between October 2023 and March 2024. If the $2,400 support remains intact, Ethereum may target the channel's upper boundary in the coming months, which lies near the $6,000 mark. Adding to the bullish outlook, Ether's Weekly Relative Strength Index, or RSI, has also bounced off a historical support zone, which aligns with ETH's test of the channel's lower trend line. ETH price movements have rebounded from similar support levels in the past, resulting in sharp upward moves. $1.3 billion in ETH exits Coinbase. A recent surge in Ethereum outflows from Coinbase suggests a potential wave of institutional interest, according to data shared by CryptoQuant analyst Barak Kesmiki. On October 25th, in just 1 hour, an anonymous entity withdrew 543,000 ETH, valued at over $1.3 billion, from the crypto exchange, marking one of the largest movements of Ether in the past 3 months. Such large-scale transfers are often seen as signals of institutional activity. When major players move substantial amounts of cryptocurrency off exchanges, it typically indicates a shift toward longer-term holding strategies, possibly foreshadowing bullish sentiment. Kosmicki noted that Ether's massive outflows could be a precursor to its price rally, citing another transaction from August 2024 in which 681,100 ETH worth $1.8 billion exited the Coinbase exchange. This being the second such outflow in 3 months strongly suggests the possibility of growing institutional interest. Ethereum eyeing key reversal versus top rivals. Ethereum's potential rise to $6,000 may receive further push from rotations out of its top rivals, namely Bitcoin and Solana. From a technical perspective, Ether is now trading around its all-time ascending trendline support against Bitcoin, which coupled with its oversold RSI can enable a sharp price rebound in the coming months. Analyst Crypto Avails further highlights that the ETH to BTC's previous bounces from the said trendline support have coincided with the beginning of altcoin season, a phase when alternative cryptocurrencies outperform Bitcoin. The strengthening of ETH against BTC results in the rise of altcoins, the ex-user noted, adding, "Altcoins are currently very cheap and will soon forget these levels." Ethereum versus Solana further hints at capital rotation. Ethereum's next top rival, Solana, has surged by approximately 900% in the SOL to ETH trading pair from June 2023. As of October 27th, SOL to ETH has established a new record high at 0.0710 ETH. Nonetheless, the pair's weekly RSI has jumped above 70, signaling that it has become overvalued. In other words, Solana may have gone up too quickly against Ether and could face downward pressure. The bearish divergence in SOL to ETH, coupled with falling RSI and volumes, indicates weakening buy-in pressure and a likely price correction. Historically, overbought conditions have led SOL to ETH to fall toward its 50-week EMA, suggesting a potential 35% decline. The convergence of these capital rotations creates a favorable environment for Ethereum to push toward the $6,000 target by the year's end of early 2025. So this concludes Crypto Top Headlines. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you.